When I was younger, removing a sink stopper was easy. So easy that even a kid could do it. But today, not all sinks have a stopper that can just be removed with a simple twist. So if your stopper needs to come out for cleaning, I'll show you how in this quick video. For this, we'll have to get under the sink, and you might have to clear some stuff out of the way first. Here you can see that the opening and closing of the stopper is controlled by this lever, and this lever goes straight up to the back of the faucet. We'll also have to take out this ring first, but disconnect the lever by removing the set screw and then sliding it off the metal stud. Now the pivot arm is directly connected to the stopper, so it has to come out by unscrewing the large connecting ring directly behind the drain pipe. At this point, the sink stopper is completely free, so it can be lifted out. This thing was super gross, so I'll get it out of the way quickly. And after pulling a bunch of hair out of the drain and cleaning the stopper, it's ready to be reinstalled. So I'll just drop the stopper back in with the hole facing front and back. Now the pivot arm goes back in and actually goes through the hole in the stopper. And from here, we're just doing everything in reverse by slipping the washer and connecting ring onto the arm and then tightening the ring so water won't leak out. Now slip the metal stud back onto the pivot arm and then connect it to the pull lever. At this point, just retighten the screw and this job is all done. The parts under your sink might look slightly different than mine, but the process to remove the sink stopper will basically be about the same. And now with a final test, I can see the sink stopper is working. So if your sink is draining slow, this is how you pull out the stopper so you can do some cleaning inside. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.